Something so great in having a morning routine. If you go throughout your day and you're super anxious and you look at your mornings and they usually consist of you waking up, pulling out your phone, scrolling through all of your notifications, your emails, your Instagram, whatever, and then immediately get up, get ready for your day and get ready for work and rush out the door, or maybe go to your computer, sit down and start working, then I would consider looking at trying to do something in your mornings that will help bring some calm and some mindfulness and something that brings you joy. And maybe this looks like getting up 10 minutes earlier and just coming outside and sitting out in the sun, and drinking your greens, your lemon water, whatever you choose, and starting your day with some of that calming energy. Because even just the act of getting out in the sun in the morning helps support your cortisol levels and the cortisol spike that you're supposed to have in the morning. And sometimes when we immediately reach for coffee, if we start scrolling and we get really stressed out and anxious about what the rest of our day is going to look like, then we are going to go throughout our day more anxious and more tired and less mindful and less able to feel like we can conquer anything. And so on this fine Tuesday morning, my mission for you is to find something that you can do in the mornings, maybe even getting up 10 minutes earlier and coming outside and doing something that's bringing some more mindfulness and some more calming energy to your mornings, so you can bring that with you for the rest of your day. Let me know how it goes.